welcome. Hi guys. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome. I haven't checked. Doesn't matter. Welcome to Bitcoin Daily Show, 9:30 Central European Time, every single day, exactly on the dollar. We look at what's happening. Bitcoin is going up. It's going to go down. It's going to go sideways. You know, it's going to affect our alt, so we got to know what's happening in Bitcoin. How's everybody in chat doing? A lot of green names. Alif, Immortal, Steve, Debutin, Humor. Yeah, those 4 guys. Enough green guys, enough green guys. How's everybody doing? Good morning, everybody. Pump, yeah, what's up, what's up? Good morning, how you doing? Ron is in the chat as well. Ron is in the chat as well, nice. So you guys probably wondering what's happening, like, we're going up, but there are some kind of divergences going on over here, you know. It can be corrected, you know, we can pump to the upside, I'm not saying that. Dutch Ring Racing, good morning, man, good morning. I see you are still excited about potential upside. Me too, yeah. T Ruin is also here. Malva Cruz, good morning. How you doing, man? How you doing, man? A lot of green names. There is also one guy, Lucas Pinoli, wanted to join the TFN's crew, so I post a link. You know, I can pin the link if anybody else wanna join the TFN's club. There you go. There's the link, because you know on mobile you cannot actually click the link. You know, stuff like that. Yo Shane, what's up, what's up? So now I'm gonna click this button up here, show all drawings, and you know the chart's gonna be messy, but we're gonna zoom in and see what's happening up here. So you can see this line, we are expecting some kind of dump down here. We are expecting some kind of dump here to 46, 45,000. There we go, Lucas managed to join the chat. Welcome to the TFN's club. Enjoy the green name, enjoy the emojis. Good to have you here, man, good to have you. On the dollar today, yeah, on the dollar today, got it. Was region locked, so VPN. Wow, region locked. Damn. What region are you in? North Korea? No, just kidding. I don't know. Maybe people from North Korea can actually, you know, join. Hi from Tokyo. Hi from Tokyo. Hi Tokyo. How you doing? So we are expecting some kind of move down to these levels, 45, 46,000. That move never came. We just bounced up to the resistance that's 49,000 up here, and right now we are stopping a little bit up here. This resistance here at 49,000 is actually legit, but right now we actually technically broke that resistance on the daily chart, not on the weekly. On the weekly we haven't broken that, because you can see here the weekly chart. We haven't broken the weekly, but on the daily we did break it, and right now we are having a small pullback up here because, you know, pumped a lot, pumped up. But what we are actually expecting is for this move to go down here and then to pump. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. And why did we expect it to go all the way down here? Because this was some kind of expanding channel, expanding falling channel, and it was playing out exactly as a bigger expanding channel. I'm gonna show you here, maybe on another chart. Yeah, up here. You can see here the same expanding channel, and this move held a pullback before it actually, you know, bounced to the upside. But you can see what this did. This did, you know, retest on the trend line. This did retest on the trend line, so maybe we're gonna get the retest on the trend line. Maybe it's not acting exactly 100% the same, but you know, right now, you know, maybe we're gonna have some kind of retracement down to 47,000. You know, maybe I'm not saying, you know, we did it on the bigger time frame, so maybe it's maybe we are gonna have it on. What am I doing? Where is my lines? I don't know. Let's go up here. There you go, 4 hourly. I just messed up lines a little bit. Let's just remove this line. Okay, so maybe we can have some kind of pullback here. I'm not saying we cannot have, like, we can have some kind of pullback. So we're gonna see what's actually happening in this move up here. There are some kind of divergences for going up here. You know, is the pullback expected or not? Oh, it's Montenegro, yeah. We missed the dip again. Bitcoin steroids at the moment, yeah. So this dip didn't come down, you know. That might, you know, you might. I mean, this red candle up here, maybe that was the dip, guys. Maybe you know, went up here. This is the dip, and right now bouncing off. But it is playing, you know. Right now, this is actually finished. The expanding channel is finished, and if you look at this bigger time frame up here. It does go back down to test the neckline. Maybe this is some kind of a big head and shoulders pattern is playing out. Let's see, the big head and shoulders pattern target should be something like, give or take, 56,000. Wow, if that plays out, guys, that plays out, like we're gonna be super bullish. We're gonna be super bullish. So this looks nice right now. This pullback down here, it went down, pullback to some kind of 43 levels, and then went again up. But it is creating divergences, guys. It is creating divergences. Let's just remove this for a second up here, and you'll see here that we are creating divergences up here. So this was the first divergence, right? And then you got second divergence. And right now you got third divergence. So you got triple divergence up here, guys. Triple divergence, not double, triple divergence. 1, 2, 3. So I'm thinking this might break down on the downside. I'm thinking this might. I mean, the only way this this will not break on the downside if we continue to pump right over here. If we continue to pump up right over here, and somehow we manage to do something like this, and then correct the divergence. That's the only way we can do this. Another thing to notice is that you can see here that we are hitting the divergence, maybe some kind of top up here. Let's zoom in a little bit of this and try to make it nice. I mean, this isn't yet hitting it, but this bottom one is, give or take. You can see here these tops are almost on the line, so maybe we are hitting some kind of top up here. Then we can draw of course on the RSI down and bottom line. You can see that it's gonna go zigzag before it actually enters out, or zigzag before it enters out on September. So in September we're going to the moon. Maybe we're gonna see that. We are not actually doing TA on the RSI chart. We are not doing TA on the RSI chart. But right now there are divergences going towards the upside. 1, 2, triple divergence. This last one is not confirmed or anything, but we might be looking at some kind of a pullback. Also, we are hitting the resistance here at what's that? 49,000. You can see here. This is a weekly time frame, so we are right now not breaking it. Today is Saturday, so Sunday, so depends. It's gonna be really interesting to see whether we close above or below this level up here on the weekly time frame, because this support up here is really important to break, just like this one down here was. Once we broke it, we just continue to the next resistance, and this one at 49,000 right now is also important to break to get back above it. Let's see on the daily time frame how this looks, and you can see on the daily we did break, but right now we are actually retracing a little bit back. Maybe there is another shorter. Let's go down to the 4 hourly. This is the 4 hourly, right? Is there some kind of pattern up here in this last part that's forming right now? Is there any kind of pattern? Let's see up here and try to draw on this move towards the upside. Nah, maybe something like this. It's okay-ish. Maybe it's also expanding channel. Again, maybe it's not. I don't know. It definitely doesn't look like it's. Nah, it cannot be. I think it was something like this over here, and then it managed to hold support and go all the way up. So it does look like some kind of expanding, rising channel. These are the reversal channels. So maybe some kind of downside, maybe this was a fake out, and then towards the upside. Because I like that it hits it here, and here. It creates a very nice trend line. So maybe we got some kind of a rising, expanding channel right now. That said, am I convinced that we are gonna go up? Not yet. But for every move, I'm getting a bit more and more bullish. I gotta tell you that I'm getting a bit more bullish for every single move towards the upside. I always say like up to 45,000, somewhere up here. That was expected. The move to the upside was expected 45,000. But once it starts breaking these levels up here, we gotta say like you gotta call the duck. Or, if the quakes like duck, walks like duck, does all the duck stuff, maybe it's a duck. So right now, maybe it's a duck. Maybe it wants to go up higher. Also, 23rd is the full moon. No, it's not 23rd. It's 22nd. So down here. So yeah, tomorrow is actually full moon. if I'm correct. If I'm correct. Full moon next 22nd August. 22nd August is full moon. Bull flag 1 hour. Nah, I wouldn't say it's a bull flag. It's more so something divergence up here, getting pulled back down here. One hour looks like it's gonna pump. This is hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hourly at least. You know, up here you can see the price going up, right? And RSI is technically going down. So you know, maybe we are looking for another pump up here to some kind of 50,000. 50,000 is right over here, guys. So maybe we're gonna see some kind of 50,000 hit, 15,000 hit, because this divergence down here, you know, it's nice, it's nice. So we got some kind of the hidden bullish divergence up here, although there is divergence up here, you know, that's a pull down, but right now hidden bullish divergence. So you know, maybe going up all the 50,000, maybe the 50,000 is the number. Maybe the 50,000 is the gold number that we are looking to hit up here. It's going to be very exciting what's going to happen up here. Maybe that's that, because right now we have 49,400, you know, so you know, some round number might be the thing. I see a rising wedge or moon later in the week. You're getting more bullish, that's why it will fall. Yeah, I'm also thinking that, you know, when I'm bearish it goes up, when I'm bullish it goes down, you know. So maybe I'm the opposite indicator of what's gonna happen. That might happen. So let's start with this big move. Let's clean up everything. So there was a big expanding wedge up here forming, right? There was a big expanding wedge forming up here that broke up to the upside. That's nice, but right now here it's also some kind of expanding wedge that's being created. The way I see it, right? Maybe you can see here this goes to 50,000, something like that. But maybe it's something like this as well, you know. It's tricky. Technically, we are looking at this. This rising wedge, right? And it did break on the downside up here, right? And then it pumped up to the wedge. So that's why I'm saying, like, the big rising wedge, you know, maybe it's some kind of fake out, you know, when it breaks up. Like if you break this upper lines of resistance up here, that we are around 51, 52,000, like that's when everybody's gonna become very, very bullish, I think. You know what we've been saying up here, you know, if we break to the upside up here, we are super bullish. Well, I think that still stands. If we break to the upside again up here, again super bullish. But you know, I'm just gonna wait just a little bit more before I, you know, raise the flag and, you know, sing the Bitcoin song. If they flip the moon on the us after CK talked about it, it's a direct attack on the best crypto YouTube community in the universe. Yeah, I was thinking that maybe, you know, it's working the opposite of what we are thinking. You know, we are thinking we're gonna spread the moon love around, you know, but it looks like right now, you know, that people are talking when CK started talking about the moon and the crypto cave talking about moon, suddenly it's not working anymore. So you know. So maybe we should just not talk about it. Maybe we should just not talk about it. Maybe. September rand month. You think that we're gonna see that? But there are definitely have been some nice moves to the upside. But you know, I'm still not convinced. I mean, it looks good. It is going up. We are somehow in some kind of rising wedge up here that we fell down off. Whether this is gonna be, you know, continue going up, I would like to break this level of resistance. So we're gonna see if we actually break to the upside, you know, if CK gonna get his bragging rights or not. But right now I'm still awaiting a little bit. I don't know why I'm still awaiting. Like there's triple divergence here, 1 2 3, triple divergence here. We fell out of this you know, rising wedge to the downside. Right now we're going a little bit to the upside, but we are still below the wedge. So I don't know, but there are other nice indicators, like also this also this RSI, right, is still going down, still haven't broken the trend. All that is nice and dandy, but there are some bullish indicators though. You can see here, even on the daily, we you know, got the bearish cross, but right now we are getting this bullish cross. So the only way this bullish cross can actually right now not pan out is if we drop. Technically we still don't have the bullish cross up here. I think we have this actually closed. Let me zoom in. No, they didn't close, it closed just below. So if we fall down here, there will be no cross, a bullish cross up here on the daily time frame. But on the weekly there is, and right now the only, you know, we gotta drop some immense levels, I think, this week. I think to avoid this bullish cross up here, I think we gotta drop below 20. Okay, I think we are dropped this week, in the next 2 days, down to some kind of 10k or something like that, to avoid this cross on Monday. To avoid this cross on Monday, I think next 2 days we gotta drop like 20%, I think, to avoid this cross. But right now it does look, you know, there is some positivity, like bullish cross on the weekly. On the daily there might be bullish cross, but you know, the rising wedge is still bothering me. I don't know why. We did get nice support on the on the 20 moving average, and we are bouncing it back to the rising wedge, but it's still bothering me. I don't know why. Also we got triple divergence here, you know, it's bothering me, you know. So there will be definitely also up here, you know, we are getting this this is the daily. Let's see the weekly. Where's the weekly number? We gotta put the weekly number down there. Also this weekly, hitting this weekly resistance up here. So I think there are several things that you know, the first one is like this weekly resistance up here at the top, this weekly resistance, and this rising wedge that we broke on the downside. Right now just getting back to the rising wedge. The third thing is these divergences, you know. So it is bothering me. Like I want to be bullish, I want to go up, you know, I want to like cross up here and, you know, go to the a million or whatever. But you know, I think I'm gonna be a little bit more reserved until we actually, you know, do the stuff, and then I'm gonna be like, you know, I know you don't like FIPS, but people use them because other people use them, so it's becoming a self-fulfilling prophecy on the charts. Yeah, that's what people are saying. Whatever people are using is gonna become self-fulfilling prophecy, but you just saw the moon flipped on us, maybe because we are spreading the love. So maybe if a lot of people use that, you know, the smart money will do the opposite of what people are using, you know. It's nice to say that a lot of, you know, self-fulfilling prophecy, you know, some indicator will have a self-fulfilling prophecy because a lot of people use it, but we already know if there is some kind of pattern, and if everybody sees the pattern, you know, somebody, you know, the big money is gonna do the opposite thing just to get our money. Maybe a million. Yeah, there is a video. You haven't seen the video. Man. Not SolarWinds, not Bicycle, not this. Okay, let's go to YouTube, the late adopter. You haven't seen the video? I'm gonna show you the video. 1 million videos, uploads, live, all videos. Sort by oldest. I think it's down here somewhere. Let's go. You haven't seen the video. I gotta show you the video. Here's the video. Where is it? Here, Bitcoin 1 million in 2021. See this? Bitcoin 1 million in 2021. Okay, listen up guys. In this video I'll show you 3 things. The first one is Bitcoin price prediction for 2021 to 1 million and how I got to that. Okay, and where is it? Let's go up here. There we go. Something like this. You go see, we go up here to 200,000, then we are gonna go back to 100,000 and then to a million. Now I kind of failed on this double top thing, you know. It went only up to 60, up to you know, exactly up here, and then it pulled back, you know. But so the million was not in 2021, but the million was in the books if we had gone to 200,000. Unfortunately, we went up only to 60k. So right now, maybe a $250,000 or $500,000 or something like that, if we get this double top playing out. Of course, if you get the double top playing out. If you get the double top playing out. What do I do here? See here, been measuring the 2011 pumps, you know, go up there and then we get to the second, you know, second pump, second top, a double top thing. You know, it might happen. It might happen in 2025. You are a Madame Cleo of crypto forecast law. Only you logged on. Volume is so low for the price action. It looks like it's going to drop. The volume earlier this year was higher. For the same price, maybe you have already discussed it. We've been saying, been talking about the volume. You know, we always look at the volume, but volume only confirms the move. Whether the move is, if few people have interest in the move or not. Let's just clear everything and look at the volume. And what can you say about the volume? Let's see the 4-hourly volume. Weekly. Let's see the weekly. Well, the weekly volume is definitely, you can see here, the weekly volume is crashing down. It's crashing without survivors, so it's not very. If you look at the previous, previous start of the bull market, this is the previous start of the bull market. Look at the volume. Volume goes up, right? That means that interest is rising into the price, right? While here, while the price is going up, the volume is going out. So the volume, the volume is becoming less and less while the price is going up. On the contrary, here when the bull market started, the volume was coming in when the price was going up. So what does volume mean? I've been explaining this both in the technical analysis crash course and for everybody. Every time we look at the volume, I'm saying this. When what is volume telling us? It's not telling us this is a big dump or whatever. It's not. We are looking for the interest in the price or interest in the move. So if the move is to the upside, the volume should be going to the upside because volume is saying that there is interest in the move. So if the volume is going to the upside and if the price is going to the upside and the volume is going to the downside, that's saying to this, for this move, there is no interest. Interest is waning. Volume means interest. Interest is waning in the price. So, move to the upside is getting less and less exciting because people are not interested in the move to the upside. Okay, so the volume is telling us that right now there is no interest in the price. There is no interest price. The same way down here, where was it? Although it fell down here, we're going down here. There was, the interest in the move to the downside was going down. Interest, it was going downwards, but the interest was also failing. Interest in the move to the downside was also failing. That means, people are not interested to go all the way down there, right? But right now, people don't look to be interested to go all the way up here because, the volume is right now telling us like, we are kind of, less and less. Fake pump or spike to upside soon, right? Now it can be fake pump, but it can also spike to the upside. Let's just go a little bit back in time, up here. You guys remember like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 1 week ago or so, right? When I was down up here, I said if we can break this to upside, like if there comes some insane volume up here and we break to the upside, I'm gonna be very, very bullish. Unfortunately, the rising wedge played out, we fell down, got some kind of first kind of level support, pumped up again, but right now we are creating triple divergence, other side divergence. We are getting back to this resistance up here, we are getting back to this rising wedge. The volume is also, as we saw, it's going down. Like there is a lot of negativity right now going on for this actually to pump. But if for some reason we do actually manage to pump up here, above this rising wedge up here, I'm gonna be bullish. I told you guys, I'm being a little bit more bullish every day, and as long as price is rising, I like it. But eventually, we gotta call, we gotta be, going into the price down here. It was a lot less risk than it's going into the Bitcoin right now. So I think the risk is pretty high. It doesn't matter if it's the downside or the upside. I think you know, risk is too high. The risk. Maybe people are not interested in BTC in general. Everywhere I look, I'm not in BTC, but if BTC is in bull run, my coins will. So people are hodling coins then. Good morning. Triangle pattern plus head and shoulders 1 hour. 1 hour doesn't matter. Head and shoulders 1 hour. Where do you see head and shoulders 1 hour? I don't see head and shoulders 1 hour. If you look up from over here, there is nothing. Like I said, this might be some kind of head and shoulders, you know, but it was weak because this was kind of cranky. But you know, it broke up here, so now maybe some kind of 57,000, maybe, give or take. I don't see head and shoulders on 1 hour, man. Triangle pattern 1 hour. I don't see. Maybe in 30 minutes somewhere up here there is some kind of a pattern forming, but it's hard to say. You know, 1 hour. Like, why do you care about what's gonna happen in the next 3-4 hours? It's all about altcoins. It's forming now. 17 hour. Small. Okay, let's do that, man. Let's do that. 17 hours. Add. Did we add it? There we go. We got a 17 hours candles, guys. I don't know why. Who is looking at 17 hours, guys? 17 hours. See here. So this is what the chart looks like on 17-hour candles. Not much different from you know, 24-hour candles. Retail is now looking at the altcoins. Look at the volume for those. I personally believe Bitcoin will be surpassed by the altcoin generally because it is already obsolete, slow and no smarts. Check 1 second chart. Okay, we're not going into that. Check the Theta, please. Not gonna check the Theta either. It might be doing something nice. Like Matic is doing something nice though. Eventually got our targets up here, 62, so forth. So Matic is doing something nice. Let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. Yeah, Matic is hitting our targets. XRP did hit our targets, I think. Nah, 141 still not hit. Maybe XRP can go all the way up, and Cardano is yeah, it is getting up to this 2.6 target or whatever. What's the time now? 34 minutes. That's it, guys. By the way, no, we're gonna wait 3 minutes. No, 3 minutes, 4-hour close. You know, we're gonna see 4-hour close in 3 minutes. But it's not very exciting. It's not. Unfortunately, it's not very exciting. It's 1 hour exciting. No, it's not very exciting. No, it doesn't. It's not very exciting. So it's. Matic is climbing to meet Ara Ramalunin. XRP looking healthy. Yeah, I mean, some altcoins might actually you know, continue pumping and stuff like that. But you know, I'm still guys. I'm still waiting in the shadows. These targets are out. There are a lot of lines here. Don't get worried too much about it. I'm still gonna wait a little bit, guys. I'm still gonna wait a little bit before I become bullish. I know a lot of other are super bullish, you know, I'm pumping the price, and I see a lot of new people coming back in, thinking this is gonna go above 60k and stuff like that. But I don't know why. Call it, you know, gut feeling. You know, previously the gut feeling did not play out exactly on the dollar, so I don't think we should be talking about the gut feeling, you know. But you know, rising wedge, triple divergence, failing folding volume, hitting resistance. I don't know. Sasha Veresh. Hello TLA, I'm late today. That's okay, man, that's okay. Bullish or bearish weekend ahead? Well, did you just hear what I said? I said rising wedge that we fell out of. to the downside, and right now we are still not above it. So if you go above it, bullish. But right now we fell out of it. To we're still not above it. We are hitting the resistance. We got triple divergence, and we got falling volume down here. Falling volume. So I don't know, man. I don't know, man. You tell me. Am I bullish or bearish? 4 out of 5 September's BTC tested the 20 weekly EMA. We should do that for the confirmation. 20 weekly EMA. Also, I'm looking at this up here. Although we have really nice pump up here, if for some reason the next 2 days we fall below the 20 moving average, for whatever reason, that's gonna be a bad sign. That's gonna be a bad sign. Okay. So, you know, don't fall below 42,000. Guys, can you keep the price above 42,000 for 2 days? Can you do that? Just keep the price above 42,000 for 2 days. 4 hourly close. Okay, let's check the 4 hourly then. It's not very exciting. It's not very exciting. It didn't do anything. Like it just creates some kind of support down here. Not very exciting. Bounced off a 20 moving average on the 1 hourly above the. You see this one I'm saying. I think, you know, we might have another pump up here. You know, in short term, I think we can have another pump up here. Why do I say that? Because right now the price is going up, down, up here, right? And RSI is going down. From down here, where is it? From here, yeah, give or take. From here, you can see the RSI is going down. So RSI going down, price going up. That means hidden bullish divergence. So short term, really short term, I think we can. I think we can go. I don't know how far. Maybe 50,000 on the dollar. Maybe 50,000 on the dollar up here, give or take. I don't know, because there is also already divergence here, then hidden bullish divergence. So if we again go up here, we might create double divergence and so forth. So these divergences are right now coming one after another. This usually always happen after a big explosive move to the upside. When you have explosive move, the faster price move to upside, the more divergences you're gonna get. That's just how the life works, unfortunately. So I think in the very short term, I think we can get another move to the upside, but in the long term, like daily and stuff like that, I think I'm a little bit more. I'm not quite bearish, but I'm not quite bullish either. So I think we're just gonna wait. We got the moon. We don't have the moon, man, yet. We don't have the moon. What you talking about? The moon is 22nd. Yeah, the moon is 22nd. But you know, you think we got a moon? We're gonna see how this plays out. We're gonna see how this plays out. If the moon is, you know, we spread the love of the moon to a lot of, you know, influencers. So, you know, right now it might actually, you know, be going the opposite direction. 52K, confirm bull run, maybe. Maybe it's gonna be 52K, 55K, 60K, 64K, 80K, and then we confirm bull run. And then you get to the 80K, you confirm the bull run, and then it's like, okay, now we went down. Tila, happy life without wife. Can get food with Uber Eats. Whatever makes you happy, man. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. Tomorrow, 9:30 on the dollar. We're gonna see how this actually works out. If there is anything to all these, divergences and rising wedges and volume and everything, will this actually, you know, pump up here above the rising wedge, or it will actually, you know, have some correction? So we're gonna see that. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. See you tomorrow. Where's my stop button? There's my stop button. Bye bye. I gotta go. I got stuff to do.